Okay. Hello everyone. Today we are going to be talking about Nitinol, also known as the memory metal, because like an elephant, it never forgets, unless you make it forget.
This is its microstructure.
You speak up a
You
lot.
talk through the chair. This is its microstructure. Very colorful.
Like
No edits. These are the different phases that it exists in. When you heat treat it, it goes into a singular phase, and then after that you can deform it any way you'd like, and then it returns to that original form with minimal heating. Maximum heating.
To initially get it to that first state, please go back, where you can see it is labeled as austenite. It is in a nice, pretty little structure, all nice and regular like austenite would be. Now you cool it down and it hardens into martensite. Martensite, that's a semi-stable, that's a metastable phase. Now, you take the martensite and you deform it. Yay!
You're supposed to look at your face.
Yay! And now there is strain inside the microstructure. When you heat it up, that temperature allows the atoms to go back to where they like to be, austenitic phase. I mispronounced that. Now we can move on to the children. We missed the children.
This metal is very elastic. This metal is very elastic. It can deal with high amounts of strain, as you can see here with these two noodle diagrams.
In fact, it has an elastic strain of over 20 times that of this elastic strain of steel. On to applications, Aniket.
This material can be applicated.
Applied. That's the proper word, Aniket.
In many different forms, such as biomedical devices, like this heart valve here.
In case you have a broken heart.
Another good use is for those poor people who have to wear glasses.
Like Aniket.
Like Amica. So, if you bend your frame, all you have to do is reheat it, and then it goes back to being the way it was before.
Of course, the glass is FUBAR.
Your glass is toast.
Yes, thank you.
From Iron Maiden.
To you.
And Sexy Polymers.
I don't endorse that.
Sexy Polymers, Mr. Doctor here.
Yes.
And the French.
Friendship is witchcraft.
Out there.
Hello class, today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about Nitinol, or memory wire, which if you didn't hear about earlier in the video, then you should have been paying attention in the video. But according to my iPad and my notes, Nitinol is a really cool material. If you look closely, it is in fact really cool. So today we're going to be playing with the Nitinol and showing you what it does whenever it reacts to heat, aka suddenly going back into its natural form. So we have our cup here and our Nitinol here. I bent it and it's naturally memorized to just straight from the factory. So put it in there and it immediately jumps into the material that or the shape it was last in, which is in fact straight. And it rather energetically does that. And if you stick it in the other side, it hops out a little bit, because it just naturally wants to be straight, or whatever whatever direction you would bend it into if you then put it with stuff. So I hope you enjoyed hearing about Nitinol a little bit today, and have a good one.